Hello, fellow humans. Welcome to our crash course on machine learning algorithms. Today we're diving into the magical world of ML, where data meets magic. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride. First up, let's talk about supervised learning. Think of it like having a teacher who tells you the answers. Linear regression, for example, is like predicting the price of a house based on its size. It's like saying, hey, the bigger the house, the more it costs. Next, we have logistic regression. It's like deciding if an email is spam or not. Imagine you're sorting apples and oranges. Logistic regression helps you figure out if it's an apple or an orange based on its features. Pretty neat, huh? Now, let's talk about decision trees. It's like a game of 20 questions. You ask a series of yes or no questions to classify data. For example, is the customer a frequent buyer? Yes. Do they buy luxury items? No. Then they're probably a budget shopper. Support vector machines, or SVMs, are like finding the perfect line to separate two castles. Imagine you have two groups of data points and you want to find the best boundary that separates them. SVM does just that. K-nearest neighbors, or KNN, is like asking your friends for advice. You look at the closest data points and take a majority vote. If most of your friends like a product, you're likely to like it too. Moving on to unsupervised learning, we have K-means clustering. It's like grouping your friends into different cliques based on their similarities. You keep adjusting the groups until everyone is happy. Hierarchical clustering is like building a pyramid of data. You start with individual data points and keep merging them until you have a single cluster at the top. It's like organizing your closet from the ground up. Principal component analysis, or PCA, is like shrinking a giant data cube into a manageable size. It helps you focus on the most important features without losing too much information. Magic, right? Finally, let's talk about reinforcement learning. Think of it like training a robot to play a game. Q-learning helps the robot learn the best actions to take based on rewards. And Deep Q Network, or DQN, is like giving the robot a superbrain to make even better decisions. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of machine learning algorithms. Whether you're predicting house prices, sorting emails, or training robots, ML has got you covered. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and remember, the future is AI-mazing. And that's a wrap on today's adventure into the world of AI. We hope you enjoyed learning about today's topic and how AI is transforming our lives. Remember, the future is AI-mazing, and we're here to make it simple and fun for you. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. It helps us reach more people and spread the AI love. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve and never miss an update, make sure to subscribe to AI Simplified and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. We've got tons of exciting content coming your way. We love hearing from you, so drop a comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Your feedback is what keeps us going. Thank you for joining us on this AI journey. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the amazing world of AI. See you soon.